Hi there. This is Mrs. Lavin. I just wanted to create this video for you so that you know how to use the sort of math type feature on Canvas. So this is what your homepage should look like if you come over here to modules. And we have this June, the very first week that we have our course. So, how to insert math into Canvas for assessments. And you can see you'll use this tool whenever you insert math answers into Canvas for a quiz or an exam. And once I'm finished recording this video, I will insert it right here. And so, let's go ahead and take this quiz. So if you look, it says using the math feature above, type in the square root of 33. So I will have to go back and fix that because in the student view, it looks like it is indeed below. So what you'll want to do is if I try to type in an exponent here, so if I type in x squared, it ends up looking really messy and it doesn't look nice and flow nicely mathematically. If I try to type in a fraction like 1/2, it has those sideways fractions, which aren't very helpful. So what we can do is if you click on these 3 dots over here, and you come to the square root x button, you're able to then go ahead and insert a math equation. So what you can do here is you can figure out sort of what it is that you want to insert. So if I'd like to insert a fraction, I can click on this fraction button right here, and I can insert something like 1/2. I can then insert plus, and I can say x to the, and I would like an exponent here, so I'll click this button, x to the second power. When you go ahead and click Insert Equation, it will then show up there for you, and you could continue typing as if you had other things that you wanted to say. So I'm going to erase this. So it says using the math feature, we'll go ahead and say below, type in the square root of 33. So I'm going to come over to my 3 dots, my math type feature, and here, this is our square root button. So I can go ahead and type in 33 and click Insert Equation. We just talked about how to do fractions. The last question that you have here, it says using the math feature, type in x squared plus 2 pi over 3. So again, I'll click my cursor here. I'll come over to my 3 dots. I will click this square root button. And you'll notice that in addition to lots of things that are here, right, here's my all real numbers symbol. I have some Greek letters that I can use here. So we have pi, which is right here. We have theta, which is in here to talk about angles. We have our summation notation, which is here. So lots of different things. You can also click over. There's some set notation that's here. Lots of good things here. We have our congruent to, if we were in geometry, our less than, or equal than, or not equal to. There are some great arrow relationships that are in here, some parentheses, and then just some miscellaneous pieces. And I think the only miscellaneous piece that you may want to use in here would be the degree symbol and maybe the infinity symbol. So feel free to poke around and take a look here. But this is really the main kind of place that you'll use. So if I wanted to create a fraction with 2 and then pi, I can go ahead and click the pi button. I can use my keyboard and arrow down, and then I can type in any number that I would like there. So hopefully you found this helpful and you see all these questions on this assessment and that you will be able to submit this. And then for the rest of our time together, go ahead and use this feature. Alrighty.